Welcome back. Today's video explains the low-cost travel finder template, ideal for travel-related platforms. The workflow requires only a location input. It begins by accessing flight websites and navigating to specific offers. After selecting the airport from the drop-down menu, the system enters a loop that alternates between scrolling and extracting data, allowing it to capture results from multiple pages. Let's review the Run tab. You can see the agent followed our defined steps perfectly. This tab is essential for debugging, allowing us to inspect the input and output of each node. After verifying that the results are correct, we are ready to move forward. On the target site, searching for a departure location will provide several options. Note that airport availability is not universal and will change depending on the specific location you enter. To handle these different airport options, the bot is designed to pick the most relevant one from the list automatically. Moving to the n8n workflow, I've included detailed annotations for each stage. The process begins with a Telegram trigger, passing the input to an AI validator. If the location is missing or the input is conversational, a switch node routes the execution to a chatting agent on the lower path. If the input is valid, the top path triggers a user notification followed by the BrowserAct node. This node can be configured via the template marketplace or by passing manual parameters for the search. We then route the BrowserAct output to a secondary AI agent. This agent's task is to analyze the data and format a Telegram-ready post using HTML. By enabling structured output, we maintain a uniform data format. A split node then breaks the results into individual items for the loop. To avoid rate limiting, a 5-second delay is implemented before the Telegram node delivers the messages using the chat ID from the initial trigger. This is the final output structure. It is highly organized and simplified for a better user experience. The clarity of the data makes it very practical for everyday use. Thank you for watching.